It's an age-old question. Which code editor should I use? Stack Overflow conducted a survey in 2021 to ask which code editor programmers use. By far the most popular answer was Visual Studio Code. Let's have a look at why Visual Studio Code is so popular and why it may be the best code editor out there. First of all, it's free and open source. You can download it for Windows, Mac and Linux. It's developed and maintained by Microsoft, so there's no risk of the project being abandoned. There's also a large number of contributors who constantly improve VS Code. When you start up Visual Studio Code for the first time, you're greeted by various walkthrough recommendations and learning resources. VS Code has a low learning curve, but can be easily extended and customized. VS Code has a huge number of plugins that you can install for optimal support. There are, for example, plugins for Python and Django, syntax highlighting and code completion. For each extension, you see a description, the number of downloads and the rating. Installing these plugins is really straightforward and can be done with a click of a button. While coding, you often need to switch between the code editor, your terminal and Git. In VS Code, you can access all of these functionalities straight from within the code editor, which saves you a lot of time. VS Code also includes a debugger, which can be really helpful. The number of users and market share of Visual Studio Code has only increased in the last couple of years. It's a very solid choice of a code editor. I use it myself and I would recommend it.